I'm Madhura Bhuvan, working as Assistant Professor in Indian Institute of Fashion Technology. So today's video, it's all about developing a sleeve pattern. So this is how the sleeve pattern that we're going to develop. Uh, so this is being called as spiral sleeves. So on the full sleeves that we're going to develop, it's all about. So in today's pattern making, the material required are measuring tape, draping pins, marking chalk, scissors, L scale, pins, and hand needle and thread, and the sellotape. Of course, the muslin fabric, and we need a sleeve block. So this is being called as basic sleeve pattern, full sleeves pattern. By using this particular sleeve pattern, I'll just tell you how exactly you're going to develop the designer sleeve pattern. You're going to use your muslin fabric. Basically, we need almost around 1 meter to develop this particular sleeve pattern. It's all about. So first, you're supposed to keep your full sleeves basic sleeve block, and you're going to trace it as it is. So here the gap should be 2 inches. You're supposed to leave, and you're going to mark it both the sides, and you're going to just give the curve to create that spiral texture on top of the sleeves. It's all about. Okay, so the same pattern, then now I'm going to trace it on the fabric by using your marking chalk. Marking is being done. As I mentioned, there are 2 different components over here where exactly we are going to create the spiral texture over here in this particular place, and the rest will be the full arm sleeves. It's all about. So with the seam allowance almost around, I have left half inches everywhere, and we are going to trace the pattern. It's all about. So once the tracing is being done, we are going to cut the same pattern. It's all about. So now 2 components is being cut with the seam allowance, as I mentioned it. So once the component is being cut, now we are going to take one more component, that is 20 inches by 20 inches. We are supposed to cut one more component of muslin fabric, and you're supposed to mark it exactly in the center. So you can just fold it like this, and you can just make a mark over here in both the components like this. You're going to make a mark. Then after that, you're supposed to place both the component exactly in the center. Now you're supposed to take your needle and thread. You're going to make a small circle over here, and on top of this particular circle marking, you're going to put a row of running stitch. Twice to make it stronger. So once the running stitch is being done, then you can just make a small notch mark. You're going to just cut the circle. Then the top layer has to be taken out from below like this. We're going to turn it like this. So it will be neatly finished over here. So once that has been done, then next you're going to place the top layer of the sleeve pattern like this, and you're going to use your cello tape four sides you're going to put a sellotape so that this particular layer should not move while creating that particular texture. All four sides you're going to put on sellotape like this. It has to be strong. It should not move. And next, now slowly the top layer you have to just start rotating to create a spiral texture. Slowly you have to move. Only the top layer has to be moved slowly. And you have to arrange and whatever the folds that we are going to create over here, that has to be folded and you're going to pin it. You're going to use the draping pin and you're going to pin it, including the lower part of the sleeve pattern. You can remove the sleeves. The sellotape can be removed once the spiral texture has been done. I'm going to just create the folds. So the back part, which looks like this, on the outline of the back part of the sleeves, you're going to just put a pins after folding it. Now after pinning it, you're going to just cut the extra fabric, and so this is how the beautiful spiral texture that can be created. This is the lower part of the sleeve pattern. So now you're going to just keep it like this and you're going to just fold the seam allowance that we have left for 1/2 inch, and you're going to place it over here. And you're going to repin it. So this is how the sleeve pattern will be made. Thank you. Join us for every week for interesting fashion videos. Thank you.